Hey everybody, it's Las Vegas Bus Sales. I'm Johnny Ringo. What's behind me? One of those popular commercial buses. This is a 2011 Bluebird All-American. Seats 44 passengers. It's powered by Cummins in the rear there. We'll take a look at that here in a bit. But it is clean white. Here's the real treat. 42,000 miles. That's really low for one of these used commercial buses. Let's take a walk around and check it out. Front windshields, there are some chips and cracks there you might see. There's gonna be some new windshields on this coming soon, but tires look great. Steer tires, a lot of tread on those. Let's open up our little fuse compartment. Look at that. That's nice. Got your nice little diagram here. Tell you where the fuses are. Very clean, it's not all worn out. Got those beautiful stainless steel wheel inserts. Looking good. Rear tires, plenty of meat left on those. Looking good. By the way, while we're on the shadow side, so you can see this, you can see the paint a little better in this. Looks really good, but check that out. Tinted windows all the way around on this bus. Keeping it cool. There's a large AC in there. We'll check that out when we go inside. But let's check out that engine here. Check this out. Watch. Cummins ISC is propelled by an Allison transmission. This engine is CARB compliant. It does take DEF, meaning it is compliant with California's rules. Really clean engine compartment. A little bit of coming down the other side here. Same story on the tires all the way around. Of course, you got the tinted windows. Check that out. Looking good underneath. By the way, check out up here. You got your fuel, diesel. A lot of people ask, how much fuel does that hold? It holds 100 gallons, 100 US gallons of diesel. Let's go inside and check it out. Driver's seat, great condition. You know what, let me show you this real quick. The driver's seat is in really good condition. Look at that steering wheel. Really great shape. It's got all your buttons here. You got your lights for your passengers and everything else. We've got these the mirrors. I actually tested these mirrors. They do work. AM, FM stereo, AC, heat. The controllers up here produce heat out of the front, but not AC. But here's the AC. Look at these huge AC system here. We got this large evaporator up here, one in the back, keeping everybody nice and cool and comfy. Plenty of room in this for adults to move around. We got about 6'6" here, and then we got a 93 inches across. Very spacious bus. And there we are. That's our 2011 Bluebird All-American with only 42,000 miles on it. It's actually one of the lower mileage used buses we have in this lineup. If you want more information, come visit us at LasVegasBusSales.com or call us at 877-456-9804. It's a beautiful day in Las Vegas. Have a nice day.